Some of you out there may not have had a mom or dad or guardian that taught you this, so I'm going to teach you a trick real quick. And that's how to roll up a water hose the right way. First step is make sure the water is off all the way. Then you want to relieve any pressure out of the hose by opening up any faucets you may have on and leave that open. Next step is you want to extend your water hose and lay it all the way out straight as far as it will go. Then you want to stand by where you want the hose coil to be, which is usually close to the faucet, and then you want to start bringing it into you and coiling it on the ground and twisting it a little bit as you go to make it easier to coil. Now when you start close to the faucet and roll it up, next time you want to go water, you grab the end of your hose and you walk it out, and it'll uncoil very easily and not kink. Now I will say that there's just some hoses that won't roll up nicely because they're very cheap and thin walled. And for those, there's not a whole lot you can do, but you can try this method. You really need a decent quality hose to get a nice clean roll like that. Or if that doesn't work, you can use a giant flower pot and roll up your hose inside of that. Some people prefer to do it that way.